Musharisha wa thirikari uhiurirwo cukuru wa St Catherine uria ukuite arutwo 207 na uria uhanditwo ituri-ini ria Bombolulu Kibera guku Nairobi riria minister wa githomo George Magoha auma mihang'o-ini ya guthurima wagiriru wa cukuru mwena ucio.
And with the immediate effect we are shutting down that school. The community must understand that we are acting in the best interest of their children. In the long term, we shall enforce the law as is required.
Cukuru uyu wa mundu kiumbe uria ukoretwo githomithia kwa makiria ma miaka 6 riu wirikanite kwa ngurani kimiakire na uria wa precious talent mwena wa Dagureti kuria mutino wirigite kuhanika na uguo ukonekana tari ugwati munene kuri arutwo ona arutani.
That from now on, any school that looks like the one we have shut down, nobody should wait for me to come and shut it down. We have officers on the ground. We are empowering those officers to shut down those schools, but to be humane in that as you shut them down, can we ensure that there are schools where the minors are going?
Igicigo gia Kibera kirikanite gukorwo na makiria ma cukuru 222 iria cirikanite gwakiriria guthuka kimiikarire gukira uyu na mituki ya kuhithukira cukuru uyu ndiamukiritwo wega.
The structure is strong. It's very strong. Na kama kulikuwa na adjustment, you will advise us ya kwamba ongezeni chuma, ongezeni kitu kama hiyo to contain the weight. But not just coming up, banging the table, say close it. It is truly unfair.
Thirikari yugite ni iharirie guthamiria kunge arutwo aria cukuru ciao ikuhingwo na cukuru uyu wa mwena wa Kibera magutoro cukuru-ini wa Eyani guthina mbere na mathomo.
I am not a coward. I have taken personal responsibility. That's why I'm coming here to tell you that I'm shutting down that school.
I know the government knows what we are doing here. I know the DEO, the district education officer, I know she's serving more in her list.
Maya makihanika, Governor wa Nairobi Mike Sonko ni atigithitie wira maabitha 16 a thirikari yake kurumirira hathara ira iratigirwo thutha wa thingo cia cukuru wa Precious Talent kumomoka na kuraga arutwo. Sonko augite maabitha acio ni meguthuthurio akiuga nio magondereire wira-ini wao na gucungiriria hathara ta ino. Hamwe na aria marugamitio wira ni afitha munene wa mathabu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Charles Kerich. Kamiti ya bunge igi githomo na nyitite mirohonge-ini rwa githomo ni marutanite nguo mbere ya muingi igikaro-ini gia gucakaya na aciari cukuru-ini wa Precious Talent iguru rigie no urakomire wira-ini.
Wale walikosa kuweka shule kuweka shamba ya shule ndio hawa watu ya wizara ndio wangeingizwa ndani ya Ministry of Education.
These politicians have already psyched you, yet they are the ones who are supposed to provide a solution for the problems we have in this city.
Mihang'o ya guthurima miri ya arutwo aria maratire muoyo mutino-ini uyu ni anjitie igongona ria hamwe ria kuririkana ciana ici rigitanyo gukana tabanio gatano gaka o cukuru-ini uyu.
Walk in your presence in the street of gold.
Ikinya ria maruru ma thirikari kuhinga cukuru uyu na kwanira kuna atene kuhinga cukuru ingi guku bururi-ini ni kurumira mutino uria uhandikite thukuru-ini wa Precious Talent guku muci munene wa Nairobi na kuringana na aria mahutitio marauga ni giko gia gutengera riria gutukire. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma Kibera guku muci munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa munene.